Okay, so let's start with the next step. So these were the text that was generated. That is, your website might be having a hidden weakness and it could be the reason you are not getting leads and sales. I'm offering a free SEO plus website performance report, and this all you can read. And this was the long form ad copy. As you can see, click send message and type the report to get yours. That is, whenever they click on this ad, they will be taken to WhatsApp, and from there other options, that is how to do the setup of the WhatsApp ad, we will cover in the next videos. But here it has generated the ad copy, and these are the headline options. Actually, in WhatsApp ad you do not need this, but if you want you can use this because option is there. By in WhatsApp ad the default is chat with us or send message. That is the default call to action. And description, you can either use this or you can keep this primary text as the description. Okay, so that's it. Now what it will do is that it will generate the image. So these are the options. We have already mentioned what type of image needs to be generated. So based on that, it will generate the image one by one. So just write here yes, and it will start generating the image. As I've told you, you do not need to do anything. That is, once you enter the prompt, I mean, at the beginning, you just have to enter the description. You have to describe your business, your product or service in as much details as possible, and then and that is the first and the last time you need to enter any prompt, and then one by one everything will be generated automatically. And that is, we have trained this particular question GPT in such a way. We have given it the hooks, that is the type of hooks. As you can see, it generated hooks on 5 categories. So based on our performance, that is whichever is performing well, we have we have trained the system to generate the hooks. That is 3 hooks in each of the categories, and you can pick up. And after pickup, uh, if you directly run ads, here we are giving free reports, so you can directly, in this case we are running the direct to offer ad. But if you want lower CPC and high CTR, then for say if you have your own website, you are selling any product or service, or you are doing any affiliate sales, then in that case you need to run a pre-sale report. What the pre-sale report will do is that it will warm up the audience, because if you directly pitch your product or service to cold audience, then they will not then the chances of making sale is very less. But here in the pre-sale report, we will warm the audience, we will let them know that such a solution exists for their problem, or such a product or service exists which is right fit for them. And then we have your affiliate link or your website link, and from that link, if they click, they will be taken to the website with the idea or the concept that such a product exists. So in that website or the sales, when they land in the landing page or the sales page, they will have in their mindset that I have come here to get such a product or to know about such a product, and the chances of making sales will increase. Okay, so here's the report. The image. Your website has a hidden weakness. The free SEO report expose it. And here the call to action is get free report. Okay, as you can see, it is showing in the laptop. It signifies that his website is open, and this is the SEO report, and you can see it is broken. That means some problem exists in the report or their website, and the report highlights the problem. As you can see, this image is generated. It signifies all the fact, or it highlights the fact which is conveyed in the ad copy. So if you have to just upload this image, so this is the image and this is the ad copy. So that's it. You need only this much to run your ads. And next, what it will do is that you can just ask. Just a minute. Okay. Generate the targeting for the ad. Suppose you want to run in India, and if you want to run worldwide, then you can mention this. Or suppose you want to run tier 1, then you can just mention it like this. For example, here I am just writing my India. If you want to run it for any particular country, then you can write like that. Then you can specify my ad budget is You can mention your ad budget 800 or 500 per day. Okay. This is also automatic. I'll just look into it. This will also be automatic. I mean, you do not have to enter this, but if you enter, then it is fine because it will generate a campaign, total campaign structure based on your ad budget and your this targeting. So, but let's see. So, campaign objective is click to WhatsApp, and location as we have defined, it's for India, and exclude the low quality region it has mentioned. That is all this. It's better to exclude if you want. And then here it in the while doing the setting, I mean ad setup, when we upload into the ads manager, we will see how all these things are done. That is age targeting 24 to 50, then it is gender targeting all genders, and this is the detailed targeting, that is interest is who have a website. For example, here we are say offering website design or free SEO. So these are the chances of I mean these people have website. The chances is maximum that these people they own a business, or they are entrepreneur, or they are doing something. For example, they are doing website design or website developer or digital marketing. Actually, they deal with website or they have a website. So it's better to target them, and they are interested in the free SEO, that is generating leads and sales from their website. So it is generated based on that. Business owners, small business, entrepreneur, business page admins, website, web design, web developer. Okay. So now do not add too many interest at once. You can just go with 3 to 5 and just start your ad. And device targeting, mobile only, and optimization and delivery. This is not required. This we will see in the setup. And budget, as you can see, we have scheduled 500 per day, and schedule is not possible right now. It is if you put lifetime budget, then scheduling is allowed, but in daily budget, scheduling is not allowed right now. So recommended ad structure, you can leave it. We will see it during the setup. Ad set, we will have one ad set, and expected result CPC 3 to 9, cost per WhatsApp lead 15 to 60, daily leads you can expect 10 to 30. So in 500 rupees, we are generating 10 to 30 leads per day. Then out of that, if you have 1 to 2% conversion, then you can get about 2 to 3 clients per day. And okay, so that's it. As you can see, it has given everything in detail. You can just put this thing in the ads manager and start running your ads, and that's it. What extra we will see while uploading and while creating your ad, we will see what needs to be done and where you have to put what things and what settings you need to do. Okay, so that's all for this video, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask and we'll analyze, and I will try to answer that. But for this particular category, you can expect results of about 10 to 15 rupees per message for messaging conversation. Yes, it is conversation because it is WhatsApp. And if you are running ads for website, then it will be conversion. That is leads or sales. And in Messenger, that is Messenger, Instagram or WhatsApp, it will be conversation. You will see that during setup. Okay, so if you run ads with rupees 300, depending on your currency, I'm telling from India, Indian currency. That is, if you have a budget of say about 300, and if you are running ads for this particular category, then the cost will be about 15 rupees, the maximum 20 rupees. So you can expect about 20 to 30 leads in this, and at the 1 to 2% conversion, you can get about 2 to 3 clients per day. So if you charge about say 2,000, 3,000, even 3 to 5,000, then you can expect to earn about say 6 to 8,000 or 10,000 per day. And if the client is, if you are good at selling, and that is after some days, that is 1 to 2 weeks, you can start charging more, 5 to 10,000 for this particular thing. Design. You can sell SEO. I mean, you can send the SEO report, sell your website design, and you can also go ahead and sell the SEO because more people will be interested in SEO. So we'll cover that in the next video, but you can also go ahead and sell your SEO service, which will create a recurring income for you. So this system, this ads training and this particular setup, it is going to create a total nice income for you, that is high income skill set, and also it will be earning income. So do pay close attention and try to execute all the steps yourself and just follow the training. Even if you do not understand, just watch it two to three times and let me know if you have any questions. But give it a try before asking me questions because I have other engagements too. And if I have already covered that thing in this particular video, and if you are asking without watching or without spending time here, then that will be a waste of your as well as my time. So just watch this again, and if the question is not addressed, then you can go ahead and ask. And uh, the setup thing, please don't ask here because that will be covered in the next video. I will show you. I will set up the entire campaign, and you will see how you can start generating leads in WhatsApp. The same thing in the WhatsApp, Instagram, or Messenger setup is same. Just you have to select the option. That is, if you are selecting as Instagram or Messenger or say WhatsApp, that it will be a just option is selected, and the rest setting will be same. We'll cover that in the next video. So that's all for this video, and do it once. You can also go ahead and do the same for say affiliate. Say just if you want to affiliate for say Warrior Plus, then just copy paste the content of the sales page in the first step and just try building everything. I mean, try generating everything, and you will get a flow or a feel of how things are done. And if you have your own product or service, just enter the data and try generating everything, and you will see that it's so easy to do, and you can just generate the ad content so easily. And these are high converting ads. Add images and add copies because we have fed the system with what is working right now, and in future also we are working on this. I mean, we are working on this right now, so in future also we will keep updating this so that it gives you the best result always. So okay, so that's all for this video, and just try it and let me know if you have any questions. Okay, so bye for now.